Imagine showing up to an HVAC job, only to realize you're missing one small part. Now you're driving back to the warehouse, delaying the repair, and leaving your customer waiting. Sound familiar? That's the reality for many HVAC businesses still relying on spreadsheets, handwritten notes, or disconnected systems. When inventory is spread across warehouses, service trucks, and job sites, it's almost impossible to know exactly what you have. What if every service truck became a live inventory location? With C2W Inventory, your warehouse and field technicians stay connected in real time. Technicians can scan barcodes using just their phone, record parts used during repairs, transfer inventory between trucks, create purchase orders, and receive automatic low stock alerts, all from any web browser. The less time your team spends searching for parts, the more time they spend serving customers. If your HVAC business has outgrown spreadsheets, it's time for a smarter way to manage inventory. C2W Inventory. Every part, every truck, every job.